Cooking with your kids. Kids love to help when it comes to cooking. Getting them involved early is a good way for them to learn responsibility and a skill they can use in life. Cooking with kids can also be a time of bonding for child and parent. Kids can help in various ways. Age-appropriate tasks are best. Your younger child cracking the egg may not be the best choice. However, if you crack the egg open and let him/her put the egg into the bowl, it can make them feel that they have truly helped. Kids love to taste test. There's nothing more delightful to a child than being able to lick the beaters after you've made a bowl of chocolate frosting. Kids learn by getting involved. A little icing on the fingers and cheeks won't hurt them. But the time you spend with them cooking will last a lifetime. Showing kids simple things they can do will make them feel important. Using sharp utensils isn't the best idea, but letting a child roll a ball of dough in their hands and placing it on the cookie sheet plays with all their senses. It's a way of having fun with your children, and the fun thing about cooking with your kids is that they are learning a skill, they just don't know it. Cooking with your kids and as a family is a great way to keep your children talking. Keeping them involved in things like cooking lets them know you think they are special. Don't fret about the little messes they make. Enjoy the thrill of watching them taste their creation. Remember this moment always. Kids grow up in a hurry. Giving them something special to remember is special, and cooking with them is a memory they will take with them through life. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.